nobody has money for CeraVe, please. Please, you guys, buy deodorant. Everybody was telling me to buy Dr. Teal. Do you guys know how much Dr. Teal is? Not everybody's daddy has money. I'm back. So I have, today is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, so I have 3 days to resumption. Basically 2 days, but 3 days still. I have 3 days to resumption, and I have not packed anything. I've bought most of my stuff, and I have some things to show you guys. I don't know if I should use the lights because it's kind of bright in here, but yeah. So I have things to show you guys. I was essentially going to pack on Friday because I didn't want to pack stuff. They need stuff from what I've packed, they don't pack. To get me? But my mom told me to pack today, so I'm just going to pack my clothes and give you guys a quick cute little haul of some of the things I bought. Then yeah, let's go. I thought I would need bags, so I bought some cute old bags. I keep saying I'm broke, but I keep buying things. Anyways, let me show you guys my bags. I got a scrunchy bag. It's really cute, you know? Even though my hand is really big, I can carry it. I can't. Period. I bought this cute black croc bag. I was going to buy it from Shein, but shipping fee. But I got it from Instagram. If you are interested, I'll leave her link in the description because I decided that I wanted a white bag. I got this. This was not what I essentially wanted, but this is what I got because I just wanted a white bag. It has a handle, so you can attach the handle and turn it into a sling bag. It can be a cute picnic shoulder Pinterest bag, and you can turn it into a sling bag if you want. I got this really cute purse. It's really cute. It's giving rich madam. It's giving sugar mommy. It's giving don't play with me, you know? I turned on the light. Is that okay? For my skincare, I got this cute little lip balm. It's like a strawberry. It's so cute, and I really like it. I got Q-tips. So my sister got this for me. It's Beauty Formula wipes. I like Beauty Formula. That brand is really underrated, but I really like them. I got my deodorant. So this is the Nivea Pearl Beauty. It doesn't smell like anything really. It just smells dry and feminine. I got this just to like blend in some things. I got an eyeliner, 2 lip pencils, black and brown. I got mascara. I don't know why I was buying the makeup stuff. I literally don't know anything about makeup. I looked for wax strips, but I didn't find it. I got shaving sticks just in case. I wanted to buy concealer because I don't know how to do makeup, so I didn't buy foundation because that seems like a lot. This I got, and I got it in my color. I got in color 6, the toast color, and I think this blends with my skin the most. But when I was buying the pro concealer, I went a color too dark. I think I'm just going to use this for contour. I got this classic lip gloss. I got the nude. So I was kind of looking for a body mist. I have a perfume and I didn't get anything, so I just got this. It's called La Vieste de Belle. I got this face scrub sponge. I got the Beauty Formula face wash. I've been hearing a lot of things about this face, so I've never used it, but I know that Beauty Formula is a very underrated brand, which you guys should try out. On my lotion, I got the St. Ives lotion. It's collagen and elastin. And I think that's it for skincare. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. I got a hydrating gel, also Beauty Formula, New Skin Glycolic, and it's really nice. Do y'all see that? Look at the difference. It is hydrating. Ooh. Ooh. My mom bought me this back scratcher. Literally already doing this job. Ooh, that feels good. Ooh, I also got jump rope because I need to start a form of exercise. I need to start a form of exercise when I get to school, and I figured jump rope would be the best solution. These are all my clothes. And before anybody says anything, this is not much. There are literally bags and baskets underneath these. I'm going to start packing these, but I kind of want to put them in order. Also, my sister got me this really cute shoes. Ballet shoes, kind of, but we all know it's not ballet shoes. I think they're from Aldo. I got this pair of jeans from a thrift store, and yo, we all know that it's not easy to buy jeans, especially for the people that are not slim. It's like really hard to buy jeans. So I bought these jeans and I even tested it on my neck. I did the neck technique, bro. They were so tight, but they are wearable but tight. I got these other ones from the same place I got those ones, and these ones were too big. If you can buy jeans without having to adjust them after buying them, you don't know what God has done for you. I think I got them for like 4K or 5K. They're thrifted anyways, and they were too big. Even though I had someone hold in the sides, bro, they're still too big. That's basically all I bought. The rest are just food stuff, and I just have my clothes to pack. So let's get into the clothes packing. So I want to order it. I want gowns, I want pants, and I want tops in a place. So let's do that first. I just realized that this is a lot. Fam. I'm not even eager to resume anymore. Don't mind this, guys, it's a mess. So I put everything in sections. These are pants, native clothes, those are skirts, those are gowns. I don't know how I have so many gowns. And these are tops and blouses. I have this big ass bag. I was hoping to take just 2 of these, but I feel like I'm going to need more than 2. Let's start to pack. I only packed native clothes and it's like almost halfway full. Bruh. I'm sweating. Oh my god. At this point, I'm not even packing according to sections again. I'm just packing. What the heck is this? This bag is literally very small. How many clothes do I even have? How many clothes do I have? So apparently the bag my mom bought was very small because this is not gonna work. Look at what I packed, and I still have clothes left. Not much, but I still have a bit. So now that I've done all that, the next step is to pack food. That's basically everything, and I need to get into another one of those bags.
6.5 hours later.
So my phone died and there was no light to charge it, so I finished packing anyways. So this is my bag. I had to repack, but I eventually got everything into this bag. Then this is my food bag. I packed everything, then I shoved my shoes into this. My tripod and my skincare stuff is in this. So yeah, these are my bags. I'm still thinking of a way I will carry these bags to school, because I know it's like tough. It's a very hard thing to take bags to school, and I'm going to school alone. I was supposed to go with my sister, but due to some events, I have to go alone. So, wish me luck, guys. I'll see you guys on Saturday morning.